Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Git installed, an editor, and a GitHub account. Next, generate an SSH key with SSH keygen or choose HTTPS for simplicity. Add your public key in GitHub so authentication is seamless. Once done, configure Git. Set your name and email with git config global. Make sure to test the connection with ssh-tgit at github.com or a simple Git clone over HTTPS, so you know credentials and network access work. You now clone the repository you will work on. Use git clone or open GitHub Desktop for a GUI. Create a branch for your work with git checkout B to avoid touching main. Make changes in your editor, then stage files with git add and write clear commits using git commit m. Once satisfied, push the branch. Git push uorigin your branch. If you prefer a GUI, use the editor's source control panel to stage, commit, and push interactively. It simplifies conflict spotting. You finalize by opening a pull request on GitHub and adding a clear description and reviewers. Address feedback by committing follow-up changes to the same branch, then push again. GitHub updates the PR automatically. When approvals are complete, merge via the web UI using the chosen merge strategy. After merge, delete the branch to keep things tidy and pull the latest main branch locally with git pull. If something breaks, run git status and git log to inspect state. Rebase or reset carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.